Oh, damn. Holy shit. Ah! Do the horn! Do it! Oh man.
Yeah. Between our building. His horn is the fucking cucaracha.
Yeah, that golf looks weird.
Every time he came in, that's a funny
That
looking.
golf looks what?
That's a weird looking golf. Oh my god. That's a weird golf.
You
I mean,
shit at
alive as fuck.
parking!
That's right, he doesn't need that.
Have you seen his race? He gets a debuff, bro.
It's not fucking working, cunt!
Oh shit, it's an LR2. Oh wait, what the fuck? What are those gauges for? Oh my god, it's got a Varus thing as well. Wait a sec. Wait a minute. That's cool.
Where are we going now?
Hello? Man's just parked up, man. Now we gotta go to... Oh shit.
Look at this guy. He seems like the kind of person who owns 2 Skylines. Kill yourself. Ah!
Can I be in the POV? Hey guys, what's up? I am here with...
said I own 3.
Oh, my bad.
Bro, looks like a neck on order.
Stop grabbing my man titties!
POV, he like... Oh.
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Ah,
Happy holidays!
Merry Chrysler!
POV photographer gets POV.
POV.
You're fucking hot, bro.
Ah!
I'm a raging homosexual.
Love it. Is that a no-plater?